So we are studying the bacterial genetics, and in this we have seen how the desired gene fragment or the foreign DNA material that can be inserted in the bacterial genome or chromosome. There are three different ways to insert the foreign DNA material in the bacterium, and these are transformation, transduction, and conjugation. In transformation, the material is taken up by the bacteria from its medium. In conjugation, a conjugation tube is developed between the two bacterium, that is donor bacterium and recipient bacterium, and the genetic material is transferred. And in the third process, that is transduction, the genetic material is transferred by a virus which can infect the bacteria. So today we are studying the various methods of transduction in the so the genetic recombination in which a DNA fragment is transferred from one bacterium to another bacterium. It is by a bacteriophage. So bacteriophages are the viruses that can infect the bacteria. So this is the structure of a bacteriophage T4. This is the head or capsid. This is a contractile sheath called tail. This is the base plate, and to this base plate these are attached tail fibers. When the contractile sheath contracts, then this bacteria, it inserts this tail into the this virus inserts its tail into the bacteria and transfers its genetic material. The whole virus is not entering inside the bacterial cell, but it is transferring only the genetic material inside the bacteria. It releases its genetic material. So what are these bacteriophages? They are again obligate intracellular parasites, and they have capacity to multiply inside the bacterial cell, and for this purpose they use some or all of the host biosynthetic machinery. So in this way the viruses, they infect the bacteria. The nucleic acid or DNA material which is released inside the bacteria, it replicates and it produces the required protein molecules using the ribosomes and amino acids that are present in the bacterial cytoplasm, and more viruses, they are produced inside the bacteria. Now there are two different ways of transductions that are taking place in the bacteria. One is generalized transduction and another is specialized transduction. In generalized transduction, a DNA fragment is transferred from one bacteria to another bacteria by a lytic bacteriophage that is now carrying donor bacterial DNA due to an error in maturation during the lytic life cycle. In specialized transduction, a DNA fragment is transferred from one bacterium to another bacterium by a temperate bacteriophage that is now carrying donor bacterial DNA due to an error in spontaneous induction during the life cycle.